So I'm going to check all the windows in the house, make sure that they are actually functioning. Also the hardware works. And I want to check the seal on the inside and the outside, just for any damage, any water signs. Common one I find is that windows are missing screens. Usually, sometimes the homeowner takes them off in the winter so the snow doesn't get behind it, or they just don't like having them on, they take them off, someone steps on them, they get crushed, no more screens. So if I do see that there's no screens, I always do make a mention of it, whether it's hiding in a basement somewhere or it's been damaged and thrown out.